I feel like in our life we're playing catch up all the time, whether it's work or life. So in this yoga session, I would like to take our time in the positions and move through the flow. So when you're ready, let's get started.
Meet me in child pose. Knees wide, forehead down. Stop moving, stop reaching. Just keep breathing here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Gently come up to a tabletop. Hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Inhale, drop your belly and chin up. Exhale, round your back and bring your hips to your heels. Once again, inhale up and exhale, hips to the heels. Inhale up, exhale, round your back and hips to the heels. Keep flowing between cat and cow. Come back to the tabletop. Now bend to the right and bend to the left. Bend to the right and bend to the left. Keep going through these bends. This is to warm up your spine in each direction. Move your hands forward a few inches, tuck your toes in and into down dog. Hold the position here. You can brush your heels to stretch those hamstrings. While you're brushing your feet here, just think about if you take your time for granted. Do you give enough time for yourself? Breathe in and lift your left leg up. Bring it forward into low lunge. Hold here and swing your arms up into warrior two. Left knee bent, right leg straight. Drop your right hand on your right leg and bring the left arm up into peaceful warrior. And keep your eyes on the hand above. Now come up and straighten your left leg. Drop your left hand on your left leg into triangle pose. Keep the chest wide open, eyes on the right hand. Now come back to the low lunge. Hold here again. Bring the left leg back into down dog. Brush your legs once again. Inhale and raise your right leg up. Now we're doing the opposite side. Bring it forward into low lunge. And now swing your arms up into warrior two. Breathe in and breathe out here. Stay in this position. take your time. Now drop the left hand on top of your left leg. Raise the right hand up over your head into Peaceful Warrior. Straighten your leg and go down into triangle pose or Trikonasana. Drop your hands on the mat and come into low lunge once again. Bring the right leg back into downward facing dog. Brush your feet here. Breathe. Inhale and step forward. And turn your feet around 90 degrees so you're facing the right side of the mat, and reach down. Bend full forward. You can use your hands to pull you down even further, getting a deeper stretch on your hamstrings and your glutes. Raise up slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae. Now bend your right leg and shift your weight to the right. Push your arm out. Helps you with the balancing. And keep the left leg out straight. Moving back to the low lunge. Bring the leg back into down dog once again. And this time we will take the right foot forward, face the side, and bend full forward. Breathe in and breathe out. Come up slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae. Bend your left leg and shift your body weight to the left. Arms out, helping with the weight and keeping the right leg long. Skandhanasana. Moving back to the front of the mat into low lunge. Bring the leg back and in vinyasa. Upward facing dog. And to child pose. Come up slowly. Now turn around and sit down on the mat with your feet wide apart. Use your elbows to support you and move the knees from side to side like windshield wipers, giving you a good twist. Keep going like this. Next we are going to move into boat pose, so legs straight, arms out by your side, and engage your core and keep the legs raised up. And hold here. Breathe in and breathe out. And relax. Come back up and bend your leg backwards and the other leg as well, and sit between your heels and use your elbows to go deeper into this position. You should feel a stretch in your quadricep muscle, and keep your chin up, looking at the sky. Breathe in and breathe out. Straighten your legs slowly and lay down on the mat. With the heels near your hips, knees bent. Push up with your hips into bridge pose. You should feel the heat building up in your glutes. And come down slowly. Once again, push up with your hips. And come down slowly. Push up one more time. And come down slowly. One more time. Push up. And hold. Breathe. Come down slowly. Now put the right leg on top of the left thigh and drop the knees to the left, giving a good twist to your spine and your back. Back to the center, and now the other side. Now place the left leg on top of the right thigh and drop it to the right. That concludes our session for today, and I hope you feel much better, and I hope you felt and embraced the slow pace of the yoga session. And please check out my last video about why and how I stopped playing catching up. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.